Welcome back to 60-Day, Get to Know AI, Challenge. Our third topic is the base of what you should know for sure, and it is, what makes good AI model. Let's take an example. An AI model was trained by showing various images and basic features of cat. The AI model kept learning, however, when asked to reproduce an image of all that it learnt, it actually drew a dog. Let's take another example. An AI model was trained on various images of types of cancer cells. With good learning, the model was able to correctly detect the cancer cell when tested on real cancer patient. That's due to good AI model. So in both the example you have seen that AI can be brilliant or completely useless. The difference? It all comes down to how well the model is built. Let's break down what makes an AI model actually good. So what is a model? A model is the brain of an AI system. It's what learns from data and makes decisions, like predicting, labeling, or recommending. Let's look at the key factors that define the good AI model, which are high-quality training data, generalization, not overfitting, evaluation metrics, bias and fairness, continuous learning. High-quality training data. First, a model needs great data, large, diverse, and clean. Garbage in, garbage out. Train a model only on certain accents, and it won't understand others. Generalization, which means it works well on new data, not just the training set. If it memorizes everything and performs poorly on new inputs, that's called overfitting. Let's learn about a key concept called overfitting for any AI model. Suppose the model was trained on data of a species of dogs. Now when the model was asked to identify same species of dog as training data, then it detected correct. However, if the model was asked to identify on different breeds of dogs, then it failed. That means it overfitted. When the test is simple, it gives good accuracy, however when complex it results in low accuracy. Have a set of evaluation metrics, which means, you don't just ask if a model works. You measure it. Some common statistical metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, depending on the task, are recommended. Bias and fairness. A good model is also fair. It shouldn't favor or discriminate. If facial recognition only works well for one demographic, that's bias in training data. Continuous learning. AI models aren't set and forget. Good models are retrained regularly with new data to keep up with real-world changes. Whether you're learning AI, building apps, or just using it, understanding these basics helps you ask smarter questions, use tools better, or even design your own models. Key takeaway is that a good AI model isn't about size, it's about balance. Clean data, measurable goals, fairness, and constant tuning. Stay tuned for more interesting topics and keep discovering more on Gen to Know AI 60-Day Challenge.